everybody. Welcome to Bass and Bonsai. That's how you do it. Mwah. Exactly how we do it. Big largemouth bass. Oh look, the stealth bomber. But I will basically fish it long enough to get tired of fishing it, switch to something else, and within a couple casts I usually get another fish. I'm like, what? Laying the gear down, he's coming in. You need to catch with the stealth in the background. Oh, there was a hit too. Oh, there was my chance. Coming from behind us now, it's like, whoop. Now we need a catch. Come on. Shell cracker and a stealth bomber. What are the odds? Come on. Come on, stealth cracker. Got him! Stealth cracker and the stealth bomber right there in the same shot. Oh, yeah! Looky, looky. Bam! Right here's the bass. Right over there. It's America, baby. Stealth bomber. Uh-oh. Didn't have him hooked the greatest. That's the old shell cracker. Mwah. Boy, he's a jumper. Yay! That's how you do it. I'm getting crazy. Exactly how we do it. Big largemouth bass. Let's see if it'll jump. That is a beauty. We're gonna jump. See a big jump. Come on. Do it. Yeah! Woo! The taste of success. But really, let's get it. Woo! I've got my blood pressure back. Woo!